Hello guys, welcome to my video. So today we're going to play the Sito Tower. So that is from Philippines, right? So anyways guys, if you watch some of the videos on our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. So anyways guys, we're going to play the Philippines game that I can just beat it. So I'm going to beat it, right? So anyways, we're going to beat the Philippines game. That tower I think is the first thing. I think sure is guys. What's that? Sito? I guess. Okay. I can just I can just hear the voice. Yeah. Okay, the volume is gonna be so good. Cause I like this. I like the volume that the music became the thing. The music just make a new one. The new music I think the new music they just wanted to just make a new update. And they make a new video, I guess. That is called Asito Music, I think is. But anyways, guys, we're going to beat that game. So the player will not catch me, I guess. Okay, it's another again. Let's try again. No. No. Enough to the volume. What the heck? Oh, wait, what's that? Okay. Okay, guys, so the music is gonna be good for the YouTube will going to because I'm going to lose my subscriber and also videos, I think. So let me know in comments, right? I don't want to get copyright because I don't. Okay, let me just keep dying, right? Let me just keep dying before it's too late, guys. See to red, I guess. I guess. No, no, what happened? Wait, what? What happened, guys? Okay. What happened, guys? Oh my god, I'm gonna get lagging. Okay, I'm not gonna fall. Okay, I'm not gonna fall, guys. I'm not gonna fall, and I'm not gonna die, I guess. Okay, I'm not gonna die. Since we're going to beat that game, so instead, this is the 4 hours. You know what? I'm going to leave now. Bro, I need to leave that game because it's gonna suck. Let's try the better one. Okay, there's the C2 tower, guys.